Ready to turn your passion for digital marketing into a thriving business? Let's make that dream a reality. Hi, I'm Jade from Rapyd, the high-performance hosting platform your upcoming digital marketing agency deserves. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 8 essential steps to launching your very own digital marketing agency. Step 1 is to determine what service you want to offer to your clients. Specializing in a particular industry or type of service like SEO, PPC, or social media marketing can set you apart from the competition. Understand where your strengths lie and what the market demands. You can choose to match complementary services like opening a website design company offering SEO services to clients they build websites for. Next, consider forming an LLC or S-Corporation. This structure provides personal liability protection in the event of legal issues such as lawsuits and offers many tax advantages. Establishing an LLC or S-Corp early not only safeguards you but also enhances your credibility with clients and regulatory bodies like the IRS. Also, consider hiring a tax professional. If you're adept at handling taxes, you might choose to manage them yourself. But for most people, the intricacies involved in business taxes justify delegating this task to a specialist. Just as your clients rely on your expertise, relying on a tax professional can save you significant money. They can assist with quarterly fillings and ensure you capitalize on potential tax deductions. Decide on a business structure, register your agency, and obtain any necessary licenses. This is also the time to trademark your brand name and logo to protect your identity. Third, build your brand. Building a strong brand is crucial. Your brand should reflect your agency's values and appeal to your target market. Develop your agency's identity, create a business slogan, and set up your business website. That brings me to the next step, which is setting up a website. Eventually, people will start searching for your agency online. And before that, people will want to do their research on your business after hearing about you through your outbound marketing. The best place you can direct potential clients to is a website. With a website, you can do a lot for your business, including display your portfolio to prospective clients, demonstrate your marketing expertise with an attractive website, engage your target audience directly to foster desire and trust, direct inbound leads to designated landing pages via advertising and content marketing, and establish credibility during outbound marketing efforts. We recommend building a website with WordPress and hosting it with Rapyd Cloud. Rapyd offers high-performance hosting solutions that ensure your new agency's website is fast, reliable, and secure. With Rapyd Cloud, agencies benefit from scalable hosting that grows with their business, ensuring that website traffic spikes and expanding operational needs are handled effortlessly. Rapyd Cloud's advanced security features protect your site from potential cyber threats, while its exceptional uptime rates guarantee that your website is always available to showcase your services to potential clients. Click the link in the description to try it for yourself. Next, think about building a team. Essentially, the difference between freelancing and having a marketing agency lies in having a team. Scaling up requires systems and people to manage those systems. Adding part-time and full-time employees means navigating different legal, recruiting, training, and management landscapes. You need to be prepared to spend a lot less time marketing and more time running different business skill sets. The goal is to assemble a skill team. Consider the roles you'll need as you grow, like SEO specialists, content creators, account managers, and so on. Another crucial step is to pursue lead generation. Effective lead generation strategies ensure a steady stream of potential clients and help build a sustainable business model. Focusing on creating leads is crucial because it directly influences revenue generation and business growth. Without a robust pipeline of leads, an agency might struggle to secure enough work to maintain operations and expand. To generate leads effectively, marketing agencies can employ a variety of tactics. Networking, both online online and offline is essential as it allows you to connect directly with potential clients and industry peers who can provide referrals. Utilizing digital marketing strategies such as SEO and pay-per-click advertising helps increase visibility and attract clients actively searching for marketing services. Content marketing through blogs, white papers, and case studies can also be instrumental in demonstrating expertise and attracting leads by providing valuable information that addresses common client challenges. Additionally, social media platforms offer a powerful tool to engaging with potential clients, showcasing previous work and sharing client testimonials that build credibility and trust. By focusing on these diverse lead generation strategies, new marketing agencies can establish a strong foothold in the industry and accelerate their growth. Next up, think about your pricing strategy. Developing a pricing strategy is a crucial step when launching a marketing agency as it significantly impacts client acquisition, profitability, and market positioning. Setting the right price for services requires careful consideration to make sure it reflects the value delivered, covers operational costs, and remains competitive within the industry. An effective pricing strategy can help differentiate your agency from competitors, attract your ideal client base, and establish a sustainable revenue model. When determining prices, agencies should consider several factors: the cost of delivering services, including time, tools, and personnel, the perceived value of these services to clients, and the pricing structures of your competitors. It's also important to consider the target clientele's budget range and willingness to pay for premium services. Pricing can be structured in many ways, such as project-based, retainer agreements, or performance-based models, each aligning differently with client expectations and project types. Agencies should be flexible and ready to adjust their pricing strategy based on market feedback and their evolving business needs. Consider offering different pricing tiers based on service levels or results. Finally, launch your operations. Start managing client projects effectively, track your results, and continuously improve your processes. Use tools and software to streamline operations from project management to finance and reporting, and your agency will be well on its way to success. And there you have it. 8 essential steps to launch your digital marketing agency and start making a mark in the industry. With dedication and the right approach, your agency will grow from a startup to a standout. For more tips on digital marketing and starting your business, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. If you have any questions or need advice, drop a comment below or visit us at Rapyd. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.